이곳은 타이완의 타이베이입니다. 저는 예전에 대만 여행을 할 때 여기서 만났던 대만 친구들을 만나서 오늘 하루를 보내볼까 합니다. Hello, Tainu. Hi. 니하오, 니하오. It's for you. Your big necklace.
순대.
Yeah. 여기는 타일러의 친구가 하는 아이스크림 집이라고 하네요. 근데 지금 사장님인 친구는 없고 여기 우리만 놀러 왔어. 아, 저기에 무슨 포크 돼지맛 아이스크림도 있고 바질 맛? 되게 독특한 맛들이 많아요. 무슨 맥주 맛도 있고 금문고량주 술 아이스크림이 있네. 술 아이스크림. 아이스크림 시켰는데 이게 금문고량주라고 하네요. 술 맛이 난다고 하네. 오, yeah, it smells. Yeah,
Like wine.
Kimon. Yeah. I tried
You
before.
drink before? Okay.
Yeah, of course. I bought 2 bottles in Korea. Cheers. How to say 건배? In Korea, 건배. Ganpei.
It's you have to top up. You have to drink all the wine.
Yeah.
Same in Korea.
One shot you mean?
Yeah, one shot.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, in Korea it's the same. 아, 이 진짜 금문고량주 냄새가 나요. 오.
You like it?
오. It's bitter.
Yeah.
솔직히 맛은 술 맛이야, 술 맛. 술을 얼려서 아이스크림을 만든 거기 때문에 뭐 당연한 건데. 야, 특이하다.
Have you tried the bubble tea?
Yeah, of course. Of course. I've been the original bubble tea, Jeonju Naicha. In Taichung, right?
춘수에.
Yeah. The original shop. I've been there
Yeah,
before.
they are always fighting who's the original one, so I don't really know.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's not original?
People say that 春水堂 is the first one.
The price is high here also.
Yeah.
In Korea, it's very high now.
I see.
Increasing now?
Yeah, it's increasing
Much? Very much?
Yeah, and really fast.
How much is the house in Taipei average?
I think it's at least 12,000 Taiwanese dollars.
12,000 Taiwanese dollars. Is it buy up rental?
Yeah, rent.
Is it one room? How about the family house?
20 million.
Wow, is it average?
Yeah, I think they're very.
Whoa. It's almost same as Korea.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, I think the average is same. I think. Okay then, how much is the salary average salary here?
$8,000.
$28,000 per month. Crazy price.
Yeah.
Because the salary is, I think, is half of Korea. But house is same.
So, that's why
In Korea, of course, no marriage now and no baby. How about here?
yeah,
Sure.
Same. Yeah. You would think. Taiwan, you think? Taiwanese or Chinese? Because you are from China before. But nowadays, you think Taiwan is Taiwan. Yeah, I think so too. But they want to occupy Taiwan. Taiwan is worried about the war now. Now it's really
I think civilians like us, we don't worry about that. I don't think it will happen.
and people also.
Yeah.
Taiwan is also.
Because they must to say something straight to the Taiwanese people and show something to the other countries. Say, oh, we will, Taiwan is part of our nation. Yeah. They must to say like this to maybe to the other country or their people living in China.
I am very sad when I saw like Olympic because you cannot use your flag. It's so bad.
And for like our generation, I think it's still an option because you can show your flag in like a national like Olympics. If we win like a prize or something, because our athletes still put the flag on party.
Sure. In Olympic. Yeah.
China was in.
Yeah. They always do this.
Yeah, they always do.
There is so many Japanese brands here.
Yeah.
I can see the 7-Eleven, Moss Burger, and I think Taiwan is like Japan.
Yes.
Yeah. Taiwan was colony of Japan before.
Yes.
Do you like Japan?
I don't hate it. I don't hate it. I think both Japan and Korea is also very good. Also very good for traveling.
Mm-hmm.
I don't particularly hate any kind of any people from certain country. You know, yeah, because I didn't have anything with them. So, but I know some of the people, the elderly people, they don't like Korean. Yeah, because of some history. Yeah, but I'm not exactly know what it is.
Hello.
Hello,
Right
how you doing? I'm Najib from Mexico.
Yeah.
My Mexico colleague.
Hola.
Hola, Najib.
Hola.
How you doing?
Can you tell which is my boyfriend? Guess. Guess.
Both.
No, I can't do that.
No, you.
And how about you? How do you know that? Yeah.
Yeah. So it's your first time?
Yeah.
Unbelievable. Oh, yes, Richie.
In my age,
Yeah.
I need to service for 1 year.
1 year.
Yeah.
We talked about this
Sure.
before.
So
Yeah.
that's why I'm okay with them.
But now it's changed.
Now it's like 4 months,
4 months?
and you can spray 2 times. 2 months, 2 months.
What the fuck? It's too short than
Yeah,
you.
too short. Yeah.
Half, more than half.
Yeah.
Too short. Why changed it?
Maybe because someone said that you spend too much time in there. It's not going to anything.
Okay.
It's
But-
wasting time.
But now it's more danger because of China.
So
They have to
so the government want to change back to
back to
about
1 year.
1 year and a half.
1 year half
Yeah.
more.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it's 35,000.
35,000.
At the beginning, when you start serving
Yeah.
service in the military. So if it,
really easy
it's
going.
our like graduate from college,
Yeah.
around
We met him.
28,000.
Yeah.
But
Oh,
if you
last
go to
time.
military,
But
I think
you
around
didn't you
the
didn't
ba-
there. We
basic
we
is,
go to the bar with Franklin.
35,000.
Oh, yeah,
It's,
yeah.
it's better than Korea.
Because
Oh, really?
he went
Yeah.
to the
Even in
South
Korea.
Seoul
Okay.
Monument,
Yeah.
Yeah, Salmon Lake.
Salmon
But
Lake,
now we
and then he came back.
our
Yeah, then we have dinner
soldier
together.
pay is increased, but still not enough. 자, 저희가 온 곳은 러차오라고 뜨겁게 볶다라는 뜻을 가진 집이에요. 여기가 타이완식 술집인데 여기가 주말에는 진짜 줄이 어마어마하게 길어요.
Nice to meet you guys.
18일 동안 유통되는 비어라고 우리나라의 그 막걸리처럼 기간이 짧아요. 근데 맛은 뭐 크게 다른 건도 솔직히는 모르겠어요. 근데 18일만 유통되니까 신선하겠어요. 와, 안주 천국이 안주 천국. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다, 17, 8개 나왔어. 아니, 한국에서도 안 하는 스티커 사진을 찍으러 왔어.
Alright, let's do this.
你要后面一点，你要后面一点，不然你对不到脚。
Bye, Mika. Take care, okay? Nice to see you again.
I miss you so much. It's been a really long time.
See you. See you again.
Okay.
See you.
Yeah. Take care. Take care. Yeah. See you. Bye bye. 네, 오늘 이렇게 대만 친구들을 만나서 하루를 보냈는데요. 이 친구들이 타이중에 살아서 지금 고속철을 타고 왔어요. 그래서 또 이제 돌아갔는데 또 멀리서 이렇게 찾아오니까 참 고맙고 다음에 또 볼 수 있으면 좋겠습니다. 그럼 오늘 영상 여기서 마무리하고 다음 영상에서 뵙겠습니다. 고맙습니다.